Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 15th, and today we're going to be analyzing the DXY and the US dollar index starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new Forex trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. The link for that can be found up here in the corner. So, on the monthly time frame, DXY, I still think there's a very good likelihood this is the end of a correction. If that really is the end of a correction, that means that this is not going to be a correction to the move up, but it's actually going to be a downtrend, and it's going to eventually probably keep going down and take out the low of this whole move. But we are talking about the monthly time frame, so that's going to take a very, very long time to play out. So let's head down to the weekly time frame, so it's back to the US dollar index. On the US dollar index, you can start to see this downtrend right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think there's a good likelihood this is a wave 1. This move up is pretty impulsive. It could always end up being a wave A. This could be a wave B, and it could go up again for a wave C. That would definitely be a completely normal looking pattern, probably an ABC of 2. But I also see a very good possibility that this is maybe already ended a correction right at the 38.2, and that this is actually just going to keep on trending down, maybe already in a wave 3. So let's keep going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this move up right here could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A, but I also see that it could be like a motive wave correction or an A, B, C, D, E. The point that I'm really trying to see here is that this move down looks more like a trend. That means that this move up is probably going to be a correction to this move down. Then, once the correction is over, I bet it's just going to make a lower high. This is not going to be a wave C, and it's most likely just going to keep on trending down, making them lower lows and lower highs. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, this move up right here does look to me very corrective. It did kind of respect this 78.6 level. It has not taken out structure to the downside yet. Now we do have CPI news coming out today, so if this looks like this when the news is about to come out, I would say the most likely thing is that the news will cause this to go down and continue the downtrend. But if it does go up and if it does take out this high, that will prove that this whole move down is over. But I still think it'll just end up being an ABC correction, like I was showing on the higher time frames, maybe something like this, and then eventually end up continuing the downtrend anyways. So let's take a look at that on the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, this move down definitely looks very impulsive like a trend. This move up, I think, could be a wave A. This definitely looks like 3 waves down like a wave B, and it looks like it is going up for a wave C. So if, like I said, if the CPI news comes out and it looks like this, I would say that it's a very good likelihood that news is going to cause an impulsive move down, cause a break of structure, and that most likely it's just going to keep on trending down. But on the other hand, if it does go up and take out this high, that's still, I think, going to be a correction. It's just going to be a much bigger ABC correction. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.